These species may become extinct due to deforestation if we do not change how we grow our food or what we choose to eat. Over half of all species on Earth call tropical forests their home, and many of them do not exist anywhere else. The populations that live in tropical forests are permanently damaged when we clear them, even if we plant trees there again. Endangered and vulnerable species that may be more familiar to the audience include Javan rhinoceros, tigers, and giant pandas. Deforestation is defined as the complete removal of trees for the conversion of forests to another land use, such as agriculture, mining, or towns and cities. We lose approximately 6 million hectares of tropical forest every year. If you compare this loss of forest area per year to the area of New York City for reference, it would be equivalent to destroying about 77 New York City-sized forests per year. 70 to 80% of tropical deforestation is due to agriculture. That is like saying about 54 to 61 of the 77 New York City-sized tropical forests we lose every year are due to the way we grow food and the types of foods we choose to eat. The problem is certain foods take more land to grow than others. If we represent all the land we use to grow food as 10 beans, 8 of those beans are used to grow livestock, and 2 of those beans are used to grow crops. But if you look at how much of our global calories and protein comes from livestock, once again, out of 10 beans, you might be surprised. In terms of calories, 2 beans come from livestock and 8 beans come from crops. And in terms of protein, 4 beans come from livestock and 6 beans come from crops. So even though we use more land to farm livestock, we get more food from growing plants. How much land can we save with less livestock? If I told you right now it takes $1 worth of land to feed everyone, we could do it for 25 cents without meat and dairy. I would hope that kind of math makes sense to any business person. The problem is that as countries develop, people generally eat more meat, and the majority of deforestation happens in developing countries. But if everyone eats the way the average American eats today, we would need 1 1/3 Earths to feed people. And I don't know about you, but I don't think there is a 1/3 Earth laying around. So we may have to change the foods we choose to eat for everyone to have enough food and for tropical forests to remain safe.